Hello, I'm Wayne Boyette, General Manager for America's Home Place in Dothan, Alabama. As you can see, we currently have an expansion and remodel going on behind us. We are expanding our showroom to help assist our customers when they come in. Another thing where we can help assist our customers, and I get asked this question quite often, is I don't own a piece of property. What do I need to look for when I'm looking for a piece of property to build on? And that is an amazing and awesome question. You want to make sure that that piece of property is buildable. There are some pieces of property that you cannot build a residential structure on. You want to make sure that if it's an excessively wooded lot, do you want to leave some of those trees, because they can be a fair amount of cost in tree removal. So if you want an open lot, maybe you need to be looking for a grass lot. Along with the buildability, you want to look and consider slope. When you have excessive slope on property, that can bring in additional costs with your sewage disposal. It can bring in additional bill costs because of grade that has to be stabilized, foundations that have to be reinforced because of that elevation slope. So there's a lot of factors to consider when looking at what kind of piece of property you need to build on. Is there an HOA involved, a homeowners association? A lot of times those associations will have certain requirements, and you need to know what those are and make sure that those will fit into your lifestyle, the type of home you want. Does the size requirements? Does it require brick veneer on the exterior? All of those things are good points to consider. Here at America's Home Place, we're here to help you with that. Again, I'm Wayne Boyette, General Manager, America's Home Place, Dothan, Alabama.